Hey everybody, it's Melissa. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do just a quick little experiment with the glitter that came in the box of Knot from Maniology. I want to see what it looks like over this color, which is Velvetine, which is that beautiful vampy polish that was in there. Let me find the bottle. This right here. Really pretty. The number is B527, so that's what that looks like. Now I have applied to this nail Orly Bonder. I like to use this. I like the sticky base coat for some things, but the Orly will continue to stay sticky a lot longer than the very short window you have with the sticky base coat. But I do like the sticky base coat. It comes in handy. Now, I'm going to try, we are going to try, which one of these do I want to use? Is that the, let's see. No, that's actually polished. I thought that was one of the Manny masks. That just goes to show how much they look alike. So I'm going to stamp on the glitter. I just think it's just a lot less messy. And I'm all for less messy when it comes to glitter, because I have, I've got y'all pulled in a whole lot closer than normal. But I want to do that because I just want y'all to be able to see. So I'm going to put this on. I may have to pause you and come right back, which will be no time for you guys, but maybe a couple minutes to let this dry. I want it on thick so I can pull it off pretty easy. I did once spill an entire container of the smallest size micro bead that there is. So if you all are familiar with that, oh, what a day. I still find them occasionally between the hardwood slats in my flooring, my office. So anyway, and this little guy, if you see him peeking out here, this little turtle, let's pull him over here. So, okay, you know, Maniology, I was wanting a scraper card holder so bad, and we didn't get one, and that's okay. Maybe we'll get one, or they'll offer one in the future. But this little guy is a 3D printed in deal. He's hard plastic. Kind of thought he was going to be soft, but it's okay. But he's made to hold business cards. So I bought him to hold my scraper cards. And he works well. So, and the lady makes all kinds of different things, not just turtles. She makes axolotls, all kinds of, I mean, dinosaurs, all different colors. So I will try my best to link her Etsy shop. I'll try to get it. If it's not linked immediately in the video as I upload it, I will try to put it somewhere in there. If you want it, remind me. So I forget a lot of times to link stuff. I'm really terribly bad about that. Used to be really good about it. Okay, so we are going to actually apply this, and I'm going to take it from the cap first because it does take so little, but it actually, this has got that textured top, so I think it's kind of just stuck up in there. So I'm going to go ahead and just tap this here. I just want to see what it looks like. I really don't, I have not seen it, so this is just kind of like a experimentation. Ooh, really pretty. This is going to be beautiful over black. If you put this over black and then stamped over it, wowza, wowza, wowza. Beautiful. I know a nail polish color that if you put this over a gray too, it will be gorgeous. If it looks like I think it will. Now, I don't know what it's going to look like over the red, but this is enough to cover my nail, obviously. So make sure I got enough polish on there. It should stick and come right off in a perfect world. So here's what it looks like. And let's see here. I believe this is just tacky. Should be. So let's put it on here and see what it looks like over the velveteen. You can stamp it on. I've got a lot of different powders, but let's see. Did it come off? Some of it did. I may have to reapply the Orly, although I did just put it on there. Yeah, let me just reapply some of this. It may just need to be a little bit more wet, and I need to probably maybe put a little bit more glitter on there. I've got so many layers of stuff on my nails. When I do remove this later today, it's gonna take me forever. And I did these, which I really think are really, really pretty for like something extremely fancy or a, you know, Halloween party. I did them originally just the tips, and I thought they were really nice and classy. And then I decided to go back and just, you know, why not go back and go really all out if you're gonna do something that fancy. You might as well just go ahead and go all out. I'm gonna use my finger if I can. Let's see. Try to be so careful with this stuff because it goes everywhere. No, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just continue to use this. See if I can get it to pick up a little bit heavier. I think my nail was just a little bit dry. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's try it now. And I am stuffed up and have a cold. If y'all think I sound different, I do. Okay, so yeah, oh yeah. So you can see that it's very different. Now, if I were to attempt to apply this to, let's say, just the tip of a nail without any sticky stuff, let's see. It probably won't do anything. Probably won't stick. Nope. Won't. You need that. So, and I keep a special special stamper that I use just for glitter. One that I, you know, because it will come off on your sticky stamper station. You can clean it, but it just after time it becomes kind of milky looking. So this is the one I normally use for my glitter. So there you go. That is what it looks like over top. Let's take this off so we can get how it changes this. There you go. And I will, you know, obviously you can put a gloss top coat on here like I've got on, or you can matte it if you want. Either one works. So I am going to pause this real quick. I'm going to do a black nail and we're going to put it over that real quick. Okay, I'm back. So I have a tip here that is polished, and I'm going to try to catch it right at the right moment to apply this glitter over top of it and see if it gives it that somewhat oil slick, beautiful thing that this does. I'm anxious to see what it looks like over black. Oh, Duran, Duran, Duran. And let me tell you, I usually have an extreme amount of patience with my dogs, but Duran is, she's on my last nerve. Like, she was on my last nerve last night, and she is starting off all that same road today. Duran done loose. Stop that. Sorry. If she gets too mad, I will stop this and correct the problem. And then, yeah. Okay, so here is this beautiful, it's just it's between a pink and a red, but, you know, this is over top of Velvetine that we did. So let me look at this and, okay, I think it's just right to stamp now and put over the black. So let's see. It's going to be tacky. It might, I hope it doesn't pull the polish up, but I want it to just go on right. Let's see. Better not push too hard, so hopefully don't pull the polish off. Okay, there you go. Isn't that beautiful? So if you want to play around with glitters, they are super fun. So this looks like, look, let's compare. Okay, so this is over black, and this is over velveteen. This is really pretty. That would be gorgeous. And then to stamp in black. This is my issue with this, is beautiful, but I felt like I had to stamp in a different color because it's so dark that black just, you know, it it just doesn't really show up that well. So there you go. That is over that. This is over black. So I think it looks better over black. So really, really pretty though. So that is the powder, not the powder, the glitter, excuse me. I have a cold, so my brain's just not firing on all cylinders this morning. I'm not taking my cold medicine yet, or I would be even worse. Let me get this lid back on here so I can breathe. Here, it's cross-threaded, which is always how I put things on. So I usually go backwards and forwards. Listen, look at this. Do you all have this much trouble putting a lid on? Okay, so while I put this lid on, if you haven't liked this video, please hit the like button. I'm gonna sit it over here because I'm gonna have to deal with this, and you don't want to sit here and watch me do this. So here you go. This is the glitter from Box of Night over black. Gorgeous, right? I think it's really pretty. It's a beautiful red, so whenever it's deceiving in there, it looks pink, but when you stamp it over the black, it gives you that true, really, really, really beautiful red. So just playing around with some of the things in the box this morning. Duran says good morning. Top of the morning to you. So I will see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out with me for a bit this morning. If you haven't subscribed, and comment and like, and I will see you guys later. Bye.